Hey everyone, welcome back to our crochet journey. In our previous tutorials, we started our animal series by creating a mini hippo. Today we are crafting a reindeer. To start, we will use the same body base from our hippo tutorial. You can find the link in the description box below. For the head, we will follow a similar pattern to the hippo but without color changes or working in front and back loops. Simply work with one color throughout, stitching in all the loops. I've used a larger yarn weight for this project, making the reindeer slightly bigger than the hippo, with a 3mm hook and 100% cotton yarn. Now let's move on to creating the horns, ears, and nose that give our reindeer its character. The horn pattern is straightforward. For the bubble stitch, make 5 double crochet stitches together, which leaves 6 loops on your hook. Craft 2 horns using that pattern. Now let's make the ears following a simple pattern. Create 2 ears. Finally, here's the pattern for the nose. Next, let's position our pieces. Align the ears with the arms on the sides and on the same rounds as the eyes. Sew them onto 3 stitches from each side. Then skip one round and place the horns in line with the ears. Center the nose between the eyes, slightly below them. Remember, how you position these parts is up to your personal preference. Feel free to follow your instincts and make it your own. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more adorable animals on our crochet journey.